Good morning, guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fluffy Diva here, and guys, today I am making some grape juice. So stand, sit, look, and watch me make my stuff. Guys, I don't know, but I'm impressed. I'm starting to do these juices that I think is very nice for the channel. So bear with me while I do some blending up. I've already showed you what I'm doing, so have another. This is the grapes that I've washed. I've washed them and I'm ready to get started. Yeah, ready to get started. So don't move a muscle and watch me do my thing. So guys, now I'm blending. I'm gonna start blending shortly. Adding some water to it. So I'm adding some grapes into the blender. I will add as I go along. But I went and I bought these grapes, a lot of grapes. So now I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. So guys, now I'm blending.
Struggle to sleep, she's the guardian of dreams, promises keep, a whirlwind of love, she sways with grace, her strength carves hope in every place, she's the storm, the calm, the spark in the night, never giving up, she shines so bright through the whirlwind, she stands so tall, fluffy diva, she conquers it all. Helping creators take their flight. She's the storm, the calm, the spark in the night. Never giving up. She shines so bright through the whirlwind. She stands so tall, fluffy diva. She conquers it all. Heart so giving, boundless to share. Strong and steady through every snare, lifting others while she soars, breaking down on open doors. She's the storm, the calm, the spark in the night, never giving up. She shines so bright through the whirlwind. She stands so tall, fluffy diva. She conquers it all. She's the guardian of dreams, promises keep. A whirlwind of love, she sways with grace. Her strength carves hope in every place. She's the storm, the calm, the spark in the night. Never giving up, she shines so bright through the whirlwind. She stands so tall, fluffy diva. She conquers it all. She conquers it all.
This is my grape juice. Grape, natural grape juice. Nice.
She strides in a gust so rare. For fight a diva, a breath of care. A kind
Guys,
hand in
there
dreams
you have
alive,
it.
helping creators take their flight. She's the storm, the calm, the spark in
There
the
you
night,
have it,
never
guys.
giving up.
I have
She
made
shines so bright through the
the
whirlwind. She
grape
stands so
juice,
tall,
guys. This
fluffy
is
diva.
natural red grape
She
juice.
conquers it
And now I'm just gonna be sampling this baby. So look guys, that's natural grape juice. I just blend that up. I blend that baby up. So it is natural grape juice. Natural grape juice. And now I'm going to pour some.
Never giving up. She shines so bright through the whirlwind. She stands so tall,
Natural
fluffy
grape juice.
diva. She conquers it all.
Look. Let me fill my glass, man. Sure.
No mountain too
Fluffy,
high, no
what you doing?
struggle
Red
to
grape,
escape.
natural
She's the
red grape
guardian
juice,
of
guys. Look.
dreams, promises
There it is.
keep. A whirlwind of love, she sways with grace. Her strength
Natural
carves
red
hope
grape
in
juice.
every place. She's
I
the
just
storm,
made this
the
from
calm, the
scratch.
spark in the night.
Yum,
Never giving
yum,
up. She shines
yum.
so bright through the whirlwind.
Yum.
She stands so tall, fluffy diva. She conquers it all.
So guys, there you have it. I've just made that nice, refreshing red grape drink. It is awesome, guys. Awesome. It tastes wonderful. You don't need to have any additive to it. It's just natural. I'll be doing this going forward. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to Fluffy Diva TV. You can find me on all platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. Don't forget. Until next time. Bye. See you. Natural grape juice. Natural grape juice. And now I'm going to pour some.
She's the storm, the calm, the spark in the night. Never giving up. She shines so bright through the
Natural grape juice.